This is a Barrow LIP to Ely sidings. About 38 minutes early. This is a Derby Etches Park to Derby Etches Park. Basically it goes to Towton from Derby and then comes up the area to Chesterfield. Where it then driver changes round, comes back down the area wash to Nottingham, where it'll go off at Trowell to Nottingham. Then it comes back up to Chesterfield, then back down to Derby. Bit complicated, but these 170s are replacing the 156s on the Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street service, and it's either refreshers or driver training. Nottingham lead. This is a pair of Class 158 on a service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. I don't know what's happening with this one, but this is just running from Sheffield to Towton Centre. And for some reason or other, it's crawling along at, 40 miles an hour? Cross country. I know they have been doing line refreshers down the area wash just in case they get pulled off the line between Derby and Chesterfield, so I don't know. This is a Class 195 and a service from Leeds to Nottingham, having just stopped at Langley Mill and not far off stopping at Ilkeston. This is a service from Doncaster Belmont to Towton. According to real-time trains, it's been cancelled by train operators, so this was some kind of ghost train. We were 51 minutes early at Alfred and Ironville, and about the same here. This is a pair of 170s, and they replaced the 156s on services between Liverpool Lime Street and Norwich. I think the 156s have gone to Northern. Barrow to Ely. Class 170 on at Etches Park to Etches Park Wake at driver training refresher. This is your Washwood Heath to Tunstead, having just been laid over at Towton for a full 4 hours, either waiting crew or just sitting there until I have to go. Well, this is following the Class 195 that's just gone by a few minutes earlier, so it's been signal checked. Because the 195 has just left Ilkeston and stopped at Langley Mill now, he's only got a single amber, so he'll be running slow to next signal, which most probably will be a double amber. This one's running from Derby to Derby to run up to Chesterfield, then run back into Notts, and then I think it goes back to Chesterfield, then back to Derby. Now I'd say it were refreshing on the diversionary route from Chesterfield Derby line, but these haven't got long left. Bree's got a double amber, having following the Washwood Heath to Tunstead, and before that the Class 195 that stopped at Langley Mill. So at the moment, going north on the Erewash Valley line, there's a bit of a queue. a Class 158 on a Norwich to Liverpool service.